Hey everybody, how you doing? Super quick update on my portable power box. This is version 2. I'm not going to go through it step by step, but you can see that there are some obvious modifications. Let's put some light on the subject and take a look at them. Okay, I think I mentioned in the first video, these 9-watt fog light spotlights that we use for the lighting on this unit, they're just sear your eyes bright. I mentioned that I wanted to make a hood, especially for the display, the control panel, to angle the light down. What have I got there? What do I have up here? You're not going to believe this. From my camping days, this is one of those egg carriers you can get at Walmart for like $1.79. I sliced these off with a razor knife, then cut them in half and made my hoods. Those I left yellow. They're directing the light out forward. The one for my control panel, I spray painted it flat black. Direct the light down. Okay, so that's the main modification I came up with this power box versus the first version, and I did install these on the first version also for my friend. I've used this power box several times in real-world camping situations, and I'll tell you, the other thing that I do differently compared to most of the other guys, this fog light, spotlight on the front, just lights things up like you wouldn't believe. One time at a camp, I angled this all the way up, set it on a picnic table. It was displaying light out over the tree line. Nice little mood effect. Okay, so that's it for my interesting modification on my Power Box version 2. Have a good day. We'll see y'all later.